Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to repair items in Vrising. So right here in the middle of the screen down below, right here, I have a ring icon. So that means that we have the broken item piece in our set, and in this case it's a ring. Now in order to repair it, click on the tab and you will see your equipment. From this list, select the equipment that is broken or some other equipment that you want to repair, because they not always indicate there if they are not as much damaged. So right here I have this ring, and in order to repair it I will need to press middle mouse button. So click on it, you'll hear like a anvil hitting sound, and that way the ring will be repaired to its 490 durability. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.